Hello, little humans living on the flat planet. When we're talking about space, I mean, NASA is the biggest joke that you ever want to see. I mean, a big joke. Now, you can come and live stream on here, but I don't think you have the balls. Or the intelligence. And if you think we went to the moon, you're a fucked up fucker on 1960s acid there, guy. I mean, big time. Shit. Mm. Well, I got to get a kind of an interesting joke out of some of these people. NASA is a cash cow. You know, I explained it to you people before. It's flat. This Earth is flat. Just trying to educate young people to knock off the crap. Yeah. You're not that very scientific. You're very slow. So getting back to science and technology, I must say that if you think the Pacific Ocean, and that's huge. And I worked on the Pacific Ocean, big time, back in 1975. And you can't screw around with that ocean, man. It'll kill you fast. Yeah. Whether you're fishing or whether you're mining on it or you're logging on it, you got to know what you're doing. If you don't, it's going to kill you. Just like a fast motorcycle or a fast car will kill you real fucking fast. Yeah. And you will lose the girlfriend on the back. She's dead too. You're dead, and she's dead too. You're both fucking dead. We take you to the morgue, put you in a coffin, and put you in a grave. That's it. That's what happens. You know, there's no bullshit about it, man. It's just good advice for young guys and young girls. Respect the power of motorcycles and cars. Because they can kill you real fucking fast, man. Real fucking fast. Regardless of your race from Germany or Canada, United States, or the Philippines, or you lose it, man. That's it. Us humans are damn good, but when you're doing fucking 40, 50 miles an hour, it's a fucking mess, man. We try to put you back together, and we're good. We're good. But, all I'm saying is young guys and young girls, slow down. Slow down, man. I mean, you don't want to end your life so fucking fast, man. You know. I mean, most of my girlfriends are dead. I'm a senior citizen. They died of old age. That's the way it goes. We're all gonna croak, but you don't want to go really fast, when you're 20. That's bullshit. You want to stick around, on the flat planet Earth. You want to stick around. You want to stay around for a couple of cold beers. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Just I'm trying to teach young people that that you might be a good motorcycle driver, car driver, but some of these other people are not that good. They're not that good. Yeah. Yeah. And it's not pretty. It's pretty nasty. Excuse me. But, like I say, like this, I mean, I was around in '69 when I supposedly went to the fucking moon. Jesus fuck. What a fucking joke. And that pile of shit. Oh my fucking God. No. I got a little more education in science and technology than that bullshit. And like I stipulate, you know, you got three guys in a little wee fucking thing. And why I stipulate this, so they got this, and they don't want to give the specs on this fucking thing, which in 1960s, they didn't have the technology to supply three guys breathing heavy oxygen. There's no fucking way, you know. The chemical reaction would not give you enough oxygen to breathe. There's no fucking way. You'd run out of breath within a fucking hour. That's the tech that I know. And they can't prove that they kept these this machine kept them alive for 8 fucking days. Oh, fuck off. It's fucking nuts. These fuckers are nuts. It don't work that way. You'd have to have a couple of good, standby oxygen tanks. Now you can bleed off them and put a mask on. Think scuba diving. Like, scuba divers know what they're fucking doing, man. That's why you got a timer on your scuba diving. You know how much air you got. What's the pressure of the water, where you're going. You know, I know that shit. I know physics real good. Yeah. And that space shit in 1969, you gotta be joking, man. You gotta be fucking joking, man. I'd have at least 3 tanks of oxygen on in that fucker, man. Yeah, run that unit. Yeah, I like to see that. I like to see them run that fucking unit with 3 guys in the same square area, right on Earth, which is relevant to that. Give me the specs. Okay, I'll build the fucking thing. There it is. Okay. You guys get in there. Turn that fucker on with all the specs and turn it up and see if that can keep you living for 8 days. It ain't gonna do it. No fucking way, man. No fucking way. Because us humans have got a hell of a lot of lung capacity. And if we don't get it, you pass out. You pass out. And just a chemical reaction, it ain't gonna make enough oxygen to keep you fucking alive. I'll tell you that right now. No fucking way. It's all bullshit. It's just friggin' bullshit. That was the key for me, that I knew NASA was phony as hell. When they didn't have the technology to give air to those astronauts. There's no way. Space is a vacuum, and space is a fucking, it's a crock of shit, Oh, we're going to the moon. Oh, fuck off. Because if you can't go to the moon and have a cold beer with your old lady and fuck her on the moon, what the fuck we going to the moon for? It's ridiculous. If you can't build a spacecraft unit so you can go to the moon, I ain't picking up rocks. I'm looking for, if I go to the moon, I'm looking for, I'll tell you what I'm looking for. I'm looking for evidence of fucking aliens, man. That's what I'm looking for. Big time. You damn right I am. And I got 3 tanks of oxygen, so I don't run out of oxygen. I got cold beers too. You're fucking right. I got cold beers. Because if you can't take a cold beer to the moon, then don't bother me. Shit. Yeah. So anyway, hope you fellow humans are all right. And think about it. Let's get the specs from NASA of this oxygen supplier. Oh, fuck it. What a pile of shit. Oh, we lost all the telemetry. We lost everything. We don't know how to get to the moon. Well, of course they say that. Because they're all a bunch of shitheads. So take care. Keep the motorcycles under 100 miles an hour. You know, keep the cars under 140 miles an hour. Because you're moving fucking fast. And love the lovely woman you're with, because that's ass. That's real ass. So take care, all humans. And have a cold beer.